Hello everyone. To this Python programming course, we explored some basic theories parts in our previous video. So in this video, you will learn more about the core differences of running code from the command line via the IDE, as well as exploring ways in which you can run programs through Python. So let's explore two main ways to run Python programs. The first way is using the Python shell, and second way is to run a Python file directly from the command line terminal in Windows CMD code. The Python shell is useful for running and testing small scripts. For example, it allows you to run the code without the need for creating new .py files. You start by adding snippets of code that you can run directly in the shell. Let's explore the second main way to run Python programs, which is running a Python file directly from the command line or terminal. Note that any file that has the name file extension of .py is nothing but an extension of Python files. So Python from the file .py can be run by following commands. For example, type python then a space and then type the file name with .py extensions. VS Code is a better choice than using the Python shell or running it directly from the terminal, because besides including both of these options, it comes with lots of additional improvements that make coding in Python is a better experience. Visual Studio Code also offers features such as autocompletions, debugging, and code syntax highlighting, white spaces, and indentation helpers. So I am now going to demonstrate the different ways that you can run Python programs in VS Code. Now open the VS Code by clicking VS Code icon on Windows and open it. So there are two options run program through Python. One is run directly from the command line or the terminal. And if you are using Mac, you can also do same like this process. And then the other option is run directly from the IDE, which is the case in Visual Studio Code. Let's find out how to do this. First, I open the terminal windows or command line window from within the IDE by clicking on terminal menu and selecting new terminal. Now I run the hello world .py scripts directly from the terminal. I can run this by typing the command python and then the name of the file words.py followed by the name of the file, then hit the enter key. The result is hello world. You can easily appear there. So there are second option using the terminal, which is entering it into the Python shell. If I only type the Python, hit the enter key, it opens a Python shell approach. Here I can write code and run it directly within the terminal windows. So I can do, for example, use the same code that I have above the print hello world code. I hit the enter key and that will print out the word hello world directly in the shell. So let's say I want to exit from the shell. So I then type in the word exit, as this is a function, so I must add the parenthesis and the hit to the enter key. And now I'm back in the command windows. To do the same from within the IDE, I just close the terminal window. Here I can run and Python scripts from the IDE directly by using the button in the top right hand corner of the screen by selecting from the drop down either the run Python file or the debugging files. Now I click on the run button and the terminal should open automatically. The result is hello world that is printed. You have now explored the two options that are available for running Python code directly from the terminal or command line and from the IDE. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon, because whenever I upload these types of video and related to this course video, you can easily get it. So thank you for watching.